Do you guys fight?
Of course.
On what? What are your fights about?
I have to say that we fight much less now.
What do you used to fight about?
It could be about anything.
Tell me the raw, real, immature fights that you had. Not like the mature version of both of you. You guys are super successful, super mature, like, backbones of each other. You guys have become an example in front of the world in terms of having like a rock solid relationship between two really ambitious people, right? उसके बारे में नहीं जानना मैं. Tell us about like in the beginning when you were kiddish and immature, like when you were our age, and we could relate with that.
I have to tell you, once we had a stupid fight. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I picked the fight.
See, now we're talking.
But he took a picture of the sunset. And he didn't take my picture. So he's someone who doesn't take pictures at all. Okay. But he chose to take a picture of the sunset. So I said, what are you telling me, that you've never felt the urge to take my picture, but you're taking a picture of the goddamn sunset? And that actually, I must have been needy and clingy that day. But he was, I think, just thrown by, he said, the sunset was beautiful. That triggered me even more. I said, what do you mean? So that's one of the stupid fights we've had. But of course, we've had all kinds of...
It was a very fair fight. What stupid?
I like that.
What are you saying? I've been surrounded with women all my life. So, like my mom, my sisters. In my house, I've been with 4 women. Because 2 of my sisters, my buddy ma, my mom, right? So I can clearly understand the importance of it. Right. This is not stupid, okay?
Yeah. And I've fought with him on stupid things. Like, I have to say, he's quite calm. So a lot of times, even when he feels the anger, he just goes for a walk. But I'm very reactive.
Okay.
He processes things before he brings it up, if at all he does. Though we've gotten better in that regard. But I think...
Aren't you like that? Like, solve it right now.
Yeah. Also, I'm reactive. If something irritates me, I can't keep it within me, especially with him. I have to just get it out of my system. So it could be like at a party, he just kept hanging with a certain set of people. It could be with anyone. And didn't come and check on me. And he's like, but you could have come to where I was standing, and I was just in the middle of conversation, and I'll be like, no. But now I do all of that less.
Thank you so much for watching this clip till the end. For more such amazing, insightful clips, please subscribe to our channel.